Welcome to the third installment of the exam preparation videos, the penultimate one, so we're on 3 out of 4. First, a huge well done is in order from me to all of our year 11 students. You've genuinely made me so proud in terms of your engagement, attitude, maturity towards these exams. Absolutely brilliant. We're sending out a feedback form, and I'd really appreciate everyone to engage with this. It could help us with the rest of the program, and it could help us just learn from what we've done this time and how we're going to sort of enhance that for the next program. You've done 2 weeks, so you're halfway there, and at this point, you have already shown yourself that you can do it. And all we need to do now is gear up for the last 2 weeks, and then that is pretty much you done. Looking ahead, English language is the first exam back. They've got the unlucky slot of Monday AM. So the first thing I need everyone to do is get yourself in school over half term on the Tuesday, and also get yourself on Zoom on the Sunday, the day before the exam. Now, at this stage, you know what the EPP looks like, you've engaged with it, and you know the kind of blend of in-school and at-home sessions. So I don't need to go in too much detail here. I've put up the 29th of May and the 5th of June. That's what we should be focusing on at this stage, because that is your half-term holiday in the first week back. And the one thing I can say looking at this, and I'm so appreciative of all departments, we're all putting something on to prepare you for the exam. And I can guarantee you that sitting with a subject specialist for 1 2 hours is going to get you more marks than anything else that you can do. So looking at this program, I've went and done my own, as you know I have been doing. So first thing I'm doing is getting myself into school at 9:30 for the English session. There's a 12 o'clock one on Tuesday the 30th of May. There's 6 teachers in, and I think it might be a bit of a carousel, which would be great. If you haven't booked onto that and you want to, just contact Miss Savory, csavory@winslowhigh.com, and just let her know that you're coming in and what session you'd like to go to. And then the Sunday, I would be at the Zoom, and I will be at the Zoom on Sunday at 3 o'clock. Now, the rest of the exam prep program is in school. There's a few changes that have been made. We're always developing this based on just feedback from students. Every day, I'm asking students, how did that go? What could we change, etc. So we've pulled the chemistry Zoom. We pushed that a bit later so students have a bit more time. We've pulled the maths and biology Zooms to 2 o'clock, both of them. We'll confirm it. So I think maths is 2 and Zoom is at 1, and this plan doesn't really have a 1 or 2 slot. All this information, comes out via a school post message, and it's on Firefly with the link. So there is no issue in terms of getting that information. As you know, on the left-hand side at 8 o'clock, I've just written the location of the session. So English room 110, maths and geography is high options, and PE is going to be over in the T block. Those sessions, all these sessions, they're not designed to get 40 marks. That's the product of all of your learning over 5 years. These are just to fine tune the last sort of things that you might need, the last bit of detail that could just push you over a grade. So it might be that you're actually getting 3, 4, 5 more marks, and that genuinely could be the difference. So that's my exam prep program. If I were studying those sessions or those subjects, can you have a look at yours? Make sure that you signed up for everything that you need. Make sure that you then fill out the rest of your exam program or your revision timetable with what are you going to revise and when do you need breaks, when do you have a heavy day, what are you going to do at the end of the heavy day, etc. And make sure that you're fully prepared for the first week back.